Alright guys, it's Matt from UrbanSurvivaIist, and I just got back from the mailbox, and this was waiting for me. Me and WILLZIAAK just did a trade. I'll put a link up to his unboxing video. So, I'm gonna bust this box open, and we'll see what we got. So as you can see, it is the, benchmade model 530. Take a look at it. Got the benchmade bag thing that they all come with. Here it is. Wow. It's a lot lighter than I expected. I really like it. It's so thin too. Wow. Very nice. This is awesome. Thanks a lot, WILLZIAAK. I love it. Great knife. So, WILLZIAAK put up a video asking for trades for that benchmade and a CRKT, and I had actually been looking at getting this model benchmade. I saw it at my local knife shop a couple months back, and I thought it was a cool knife, but I didn't really want to get it at the time. So a couple weeks went by and I went back and I thought I'll get that benchmade knife, but it was gone. Someone had already bought it. So that was disappointing, and when I saw that WILLZIAAK had one up for trade, I jumped on it, and here it is. It's a great knife. I'll probably do a review on it later once I get some use into it, but I'm really amazed at how light it is. So thanks again, Will. Hope you enjoy your Spyderco knife, and I'll talk to you guys later.